Yes, Coke and Vibe. We're in Birmingham today. You see me? We're there with the man himself, Devilman. Listen, it's a legendary moment today. All right, man, I'll tell you the God truth. It's a legendary... Yo, listen. Was it 10 years?
10 years of drum and bass father, bro. Are you crazy?
And we're here to do the remix.
Had to get Emda on that, you know.
Nothing to know, man. Yeah, me tell ya. We acted in Birmingham, you see me? Yeah, the man them there in the studio. Sluggy there. Ringo Vision, one decision. Sam's there.
Come on, man.
Big up. That is it. So yeah, we're gonna record my verse for Drum and Bass Father remix, and then Devilman's. We got a song, a separate song as well, which is gonna be new, which you don't know about yet, but you'll soon see what go on. We're outside. Active in the booth. Father, marijuana, burn it in the corner. Fuck no sauna. Keisha and Shauna, and that's palava. Mina mix smarter. Pussy girl that me rather. Lack of like nobody's got a charger. Order. Wild. Bye. Looking at me eye. Looking at me eye. Looking at the sky. Eyes. Get a big surprise. Every girl I walk by. Yeah. Listen, bro, I'm just going to say this on camera as well, because do you know what? You have to give people flowers with it. You see any party, you see any house party especially. Yeah. If this song don't get played at a house party, it's gone mad. Party. You know what I mean? And they put Drum and Bass, everyone's gone on a mad one, bro, man. Tell you the God truth, bro. So you see, this is history, bro. And to having me involved in it, it's a pleasure, honestly, brother. Yeah, man. Even when I got told, they said, yo, you want on the Drum and Bass fight? I said, nah, that's legendary, man. Trust me. Come on. Coke and Vibe. You're getting the first little exclusive. I'm going to say. Bill up marijuana, big bumbo class beef, burn it in the corner. She tell me, say she want a fuck no, bumbo class, that's what you're getting. Be active. We're there at Birmingham. You know, you hear the song in our background. Who we there with?
Bumbo class.
You know it makes sense, though. What we say? Hey! Drum and Bass Father, build up marijuana, big bumbo class lift, done right there, sir, man. I was just saying, we're doing a new Drum and Bass song. Big up Sluggy. Oh, the blood clot, this man, bumbo clot. And next rhythm, you're not ready for that one there. Devilman's done his verse on this, so this is the tune we're talking about now. So now we're just gonna start structuring the song. We've kind of got all the lyrics, people, but we're just structuring it now, so. Yeah, just piecing together, you get me? But yeah, I was just saying, if it ain't Bassman, Spider, Trigger, Devilman, or Shabba-D, it don't make no sense. Anybody else on the song? Because, you know, this is, it's what we call it, dancehall drum and bass. It's that style, isn't it? It stems from jungle and them something there, isn't it? Blood clot is. Are you
Are you a turn? Bomber.
You a turn?
The blood clot this.
They don't even know that you got a song.
My turn.
My.
It was about the bomber, innit? Not about the blood clot, innit?
Yeah, about the bomber, yeah.
Bad man. Real bad. I want the bomber. I want the blood clot this.
Bomber clot. That's it, people. Studio sessions done. Big up Devilman's manager. You are his manager, right? Yeah. Big up my manager, Sam. He's there. Big up Sluggy. Yes. You don't know anything. So yeah, I've jumped on a Drum and Bass Father remix with Devilman, and Devilman has jumped on my song. I want a bomber.
I want a blood clot this.
Oh, it's fucking mental. I swear to God, people, it's fucking mental. Watch when you hear these two tunes. I don't know when they're coming out. But just know, it's fucking crazy. believe, no man. Member good, no man. Ringo, where we going next? We having bling?
Right now, next we're gonna go and get some food. Cause we're in Birmingham, so we have to try some yard food.
Yeah, 100%. So we're gonna get some content. We're just gonna go around and see what I've gone.
Yeah, man. Sam.
Come on, man. Out here, man.
Good vibes. Sluggy, how was the session, man?
Sick. Made a banger.
Sluggy, you're like one of the shortest producers, but one of the most powerful producers.
I'm one of the shortest people, not just producers.
Yeah, but as a producer, though, the shortest I've met.
Yeah.
But packing a lot of weight. You're like a heavyweight, bro. Yeah, so look, big up Sluggy himself. Yeah, he's the man behind the magical works of the beats, you understand? And now he's gonna just cook it up and make it sound, you understand? Yeah, that's it.
Absolute banger. So so obviously Sluggy produced the bomber.
Yeah.
The beat, you know.
Is that what the song's called?
It's mad.
I'm not sure.
I don't know actually. I'm not sure. I don't think we can call it that. But it's a madness. Yeah, I'm really excited about this one.
Did I bounce it so we can hear it in the car?
Sam, what's your views on drum and bass in the whole?
I feel like, well, you put me on the spot with the camera.
Yeah,
I feel like drum and bass is coming. It's coming back. It's a lot more commercialized. We're seeing urban artists and rappers jumping it now. Stormzy, Chase Status, #1.
Yeah,
that's a great example. So yeah, man, I feel like. It's
Do you think this one's gonna pull you back into the scene?
100%.
Trust me, we got good pussy, guys. We get anything. Bumba cat. We got bare hits, Ringo. Don't worry, we got bare hits there.
Our good vibes. Sluggy, big up yourself. It was a pleasure being in the booth to see how you do your things. Quick, he's quick, you know. Speedy Gonzalez, quick. Yeah, quick and fast. That is it, people. Yeah, our good vibes. We're outside, fully active. Yeah, man, they're just catching some visuals right now.
So, we reached Juicy Patties in our Birmingham, you see me? Yeah, we're gonna check out the warehouse, you see me? We got the man there. Good vibes, people in reception. You get me? Some cool heritage books and stuff here. What are you saying here? What's this? The certificate of authenticity of good vibes. We like that. So yeah, we're gonna get some beef patties and we're gonna get some chicken. See it there? Good vibes. See them there, people? Juicy patty in the UK. If you know, you know. Yeah.
Yeah.
Patty them. Good vibes.
Good vibes.
Big them up, man. We're there at Birmingham. Island Delight. They have the juicy beef patties. You know what I'm saying? We appreciate your hospitality as well. Yeah, man.
Our good vibes.
Yes, people. So we pull up at Bling's place. Zimmy. Yeah. What up vibes and check the general, you know? Yeah. Rudy up here. Jerk Pandea. That is it. Think up, man, arm here, man. Bling lifestyle. You know, I think up. Yeah. Come sit the G, have a little drink.
A good vibe, man.
It's Ringo's Earth Strong week, so.
No, I can't.
Tired and fully active, you hear me tell you over there at Birmingham, man. Yeah, man, we have to go link the general. Outside, one Ringo vision.
That is it.
You hear me tell you? Team out. Forward, man, make me show the place, man. Forward. Where you say? Ludia Guan. Yeah. Original yard vibes. We're there at Birmingham. One bling lifestyle, you hear me tell you? Boo!
Yeah. So we're surrounded by... Yes, one of bling? Yeah. Want to make people know, so we're surrounded by life, you know? Because you see, if you're surrounded by life, you couldn't be living. So what we're doing right now, live that. And we're in the environment of life, we're living a life. And we live in a life, you know, so life is always in existence because of the element. Yeah. You understand, Master God?
Oh, greater, well protected by the Most High Savior. Them great, well greater, them great, well greater. And a greater than anything, greater, don't be kind of funny. No one ice for me and so no matter striker, them no skill like the buns. Money for me wrist, money for me ribbons. Give me that girl over there so short and thick as rich.
So,
it's just a lifestyle moment.
lifestyle moment.
But we greater.
From
Them great. But we greater. Them great.
Yes. So she want to rasta flex. Me a ball with some of the show all the time for me and make. She a pretty not to neck. She not take a talk cause she can't some thoughts. Some rasting on me yard. Through me head side cut off. Oh my gang like Junior. I swag like Munga with a red Brought up again. Woman say she want a rasta flex. Me a ball at some of it. Show all the talk with me a make. She a pretty not to neck. And she not take my talk cause she can't some thoughts. Some rasting on me yard. To me head side cut off. But my gang like Junior. I swag like Munga with a red bottom boot. Yellow shirt, green color. Me smoke from the herbs. My eyes get redder. All I go on them meds and make love. You get rasta look.
That is it, Cook and Vibe. Still on the road, we're still in Birmingham. We're still there. Yeah, man, that is it. Big up the man, them. They are Birmingham. I mean, a good vibes.
Lifestyle in our building, is
that is it, that is it.
Man, clear the
good
way.
Vibes, you know?
Exotic dance out now, go stream it.
Oh, you mean? You hear the man say? But, alright, we're gonna extend the episode from yesterday.
Bomba cloud, we are cooking at the ground.
Yeah. Listen, we are cook up, we are vibes today. And I cook up. Ringo done cook already, blood. People, look at this.
Ready, fam?
What you say?
Food chef up already.
People, cook and vibe. A Ringo birthday celebration. Big up Fendi.
Yes.
You know anything else? Table Time Podcast.
Table Time.
We got the Empress. You know, I know you don't like the star like that, but we have to big you up same way, because are your family, you know? We got the dancer, big up yourself. That is it. Jay's there. Ringo Vision there. Looking like a superstar today. You understand? Big up the G there, same way. He done know the t-shirt. So yeah, video shoot settings today. So we're doing a little video shoot. And good vibes. Anything.